Safari guarantee that I come back alive?
We guarantee nothing except the dinosaurs. This is Mr. Travis, your safari guide from the past. If you disobey instructions, there's a stiff penalty of another $10,000, plus possible government action.
Wow, this is a real time machine. Thank God Keith won. I think he'll make a fine president of the United States.
Yes, we're lucky. If Deutsch had gotten in, we'd have the worst kind of dictatorship. Anyway, Keith's president now. All you have to worry about is
shooting my dinosaur.
A Tyrannosaurus Rex, the thunder lizard, the darndest monster in history. Sentence release. Anything happens to you, we're not responsible. Those dinosaurs aren't hungry.
Are you trying to scare me?
Frankly, yes. We don't want anyone who's going to panic at the first shot. 6 Safari's leaders were killed last year, and a dozen hunters. Good luck, Mr. Travis. It's all yours.
Mr. Eccles, right this way.
Welcome, Mr. Eccles, to our time machine. I am Les Bruns, Travis's assistant. Do not be alarmed if you hear loud noises or see flashing lights. All right, gentlemen, we have arrived. I'm gonna go scout ahead.
That is the forest of 60 million years before President Keith. Don't touch a single blade of grass, stone, or tree when you're out there. Don't influence the past in any way, and whatever you do, stay on the path. If you fall off, there will be a stiff penalty.
Why is that?
We don't want to change the future. Not knowing it, we might kill an important animal, a small bird, a roach, or a flower, thus destroying an important link in a growing species.
That's not clear.
Alright, say we accidentally kill one mouse here. That means all future families of this one particular mouse will be dead, right?
Right.
And all the families of the families of the families of that one mouse. With a stamp of your foot, you annihilate first one, then a dozen, then 1,000,000,000 and 1,000,000,000 possible mice.
They're dead. So what?
So what? Well, what about the foxes that'll need those mice to survive? For want of 10 mice, a fox dies. For want of 10 foxes, a lion starves. For want of a lion, all matter of insects, vultures, infinite billions of life forms are thrown into chaos and destruction. Eventually, it all boils down to this. 59 million years later, a caveman, one of a dozen on the entire world, goes hunting wild boar, saber-toothed tiger for food. But you, my friend, have stepped on all the tigers in that region by stepping on one single mouse. So the caveman starves. And that caveman, please note, is not just any expendable man, no. He's an entire future nation. From his loins would have sprung 10 men. From their loins, 100 sons, and thus onward to a civilization. Destroy this one man, and you destroy a race, a people, an entire history of life. With the death of that one caveman, 1,000,000,000 others yet unborn are throttled in the womb. Perhaps Rome never rises on its 7 hills. Perhaps Europe is forever a dark forest, and only Asia waxes healthy and teeming. Step on a mouse and you crush the pyramids. Step on a mouse and you leave your print like a Grand Canyon across eternity. Queen Elizabeth never is born. Washington never crosses the Delaware. There might never be a United States at all. So be careful. Stay on the path and never step off. See anything out there yet?
Not yet.
Then how do you know we're actually going to be able to see a dinosaur?
I tracked them through their entire existence, noting which of them lives the longest, how many attempts they made. When I find one that's going to die when a tree falls on him or one that drowns in a tar pit, I note the exact hour, minute, and second. Then, I correlate our arrival in the past so that we meet the monster in no more than 2 minutes before he would have died anyway. This way, we kill only animals with no future, that are never going to mate again. You see how careful we are?
But if you came back this morning in the time machine, then you must have bumped into us. So, our safari, how'd it go? Was it successful? Did we all get through? Alive?
That'd be a paradox. Time doesn't permit for that sort of mess, a man meeting himself. We have no way of knowing if our expedition was a success, meaning whether you, Mr. Eccles, got out alive.
Alright, everybody on his feet. Let's go. Lesperance will stay behind and watch the time machine. Stop that! Don't even aim for fun, damn it. If your gun should go off.
Where's our Tyrannosaurus?
A bisector trail in 60 seconds. Don't shoot until I give the word and stay on the path.
Strange. Up ahead. 60 million years. Election day over. Keith made president. And here we are now. A million years lost. And they don't even exist.
Safety catch is off, everyone.
I've hunted tiger, wild boar, buffalo, and elephant. And this is it. I'm shaking like a kid.
Ah, there he is, up ahead in the mist. There's His Royal Majesty now.
Jesus God.
Shh.
My God.
Shh, he hasn't seen us yet.
This thing can't be killed. We were fools to come. This is impossible.
Shut up. Turn around and walk back to the machine. We'll remit one half your fee.
I didn't think it'd be this big. I guess I just miscalculated. Just get me out of here. I've always thought I'd go back alive. I had good guides, good safari, and safety. I guess I've just figured wrong this time. I admit it, I've met my match. This is just too much for me.
Okay, don't run, turn around, and walk back to the machine.
Yes.
No! Not that way! Stay on the path!
There. Right on time. There's the tree that was originally scheduled to fall and kill the animal.
I'm sorry.
Get up and get out there. You're not coming back onto the machine with us. We're leaving you here.
Wait!
Stay out of this. That son of a bitch nearly killed us. He ran off the trail. God knows what he's done to time, to history.
Take it easy. All he did was kick up some dirt.
How do we know? We don't know anything. It's all a damn mystery. Get out there, Eccles.
I'll pay anything. $100,000.
Go out there. The monster's on the path. Go dig the bullets out. Here's my knife. Go.
You didn't have to make him do that.
Didn't I? It's too early to tell. He'll live. Next time he won't go hunting game like this. Okay, flip the switch. Let's go home.
Don't look at me. I haven't done anything.
Who can tell?
Just ran off the path. A little mud on my shoes. What do you want me to do? Get down and pray?
We might need it. I'm warning you, Eccles. I might kill you yet. I've got my gun ready.
I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
Get out. Everything okay here?
Fine. Welcome home.
Okay, Eccles. Get out and don't ever come back. You heard me. What are you staring at?
No, not a little thing like that. Not a butterfly. Who won the presidential election yesterday?
You joking? You know very well. Deutscher, of course. Who else? Not that damn weakling Keith. Nah, we got Iron Man now. Goodbye, God. What's wrong?
Can't we just take it back? Can't we make it alive again? Can't we start over? Can't we?
We gotta pause it. I'm sorry.
Wait, I stopped. Just start from there. 1, 2, 3.
No, we can't cut. We can't cut.
It won't look like you cut it.
It'll look
3, 2, 1.
Wait. Onto that path. Oh my gosh. What?
Oh, wait, I forgot my line.
Shh.
You have a line.
And 3.
Wait, you have the knife. You need the knife. Do you have the knife?
You're not aiming weirdly enough.